Computer security is crucial and demands precautionary measures due to numerous threats. While individuals determine their desired level of security, it is beneficial to learn how to enhance the security of your Windows 11 computer. And through this video, we can show you some methods on how to improve security on your computer. For the first method, update your computer by going to Settings, select Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates to ensure that your operating system is up to date. Next, require sign-in after being away by accessing it in the Settings. Go to Accounts, select Sign-in Options, and choose when Windows should require you to sign in again. Additionally, use Dynamic Lock, and you can do that by going to Settings, select Bluetooth and other devices, turn on Bluetooth, and pair your device. Then, go to Accounts, select Sign-in Options, choose Dynamic Lock, and allow automatic device locking when you're away. You'll also set a password. Just navigate to Settings, go to Accounts, select Sign-in Options, select Password, click Add, enter the necessary information, and then click Finish. You can try enabling the Windows Firewall. Do it by going to Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security, and click on the Firewall and Network Protection. Now, if you need to share your computer with someone else in the family, it is best to create a new account for them. And you can create a new account for them by going to the Settings, select Accounts, choose Family and Other Users, select Add Other User, then click on Add Account. Next, you may not have given your PIN to all of your family and friends, but even if you have given it to one person, it is always a good idea to change it every once in a while. So in order for you to change it, you will need to go to Settings, select Accounts, and choose Sign-in Options to change your PIN. Next is you have to click on the Change PIN option, and you will need to enter your current PIN and the new one. And lastly, if you're not using a third-party application, it is essential to make sure that Windows Security is up and running. You can check it by going to the Search option and then type Security. Make sure to choose the best match and click on Virus and Threat Protection. And those are the ways we have on how you can set up the necessary security measures on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.